Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
So they're doing all this kind of construction right in this space. So yeah, when the beginning of the video opened up, we were right over there. So we're gonna go around and check it out. So stay tuned. So even though it was like 2 months ago, so pretty cool. We've got some darts right there as well. This is Mercadores, Mercadores Lane. And I was going to give some context to where we are exactly. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Lazy Bear. So this one, I'm gonna get some of this sandwich right here is the same as this sandwich here. And there's also they got prego and bifana. Another Portuguese sandwich. Churrasco. And what I'm going to do in a minute is I'm going to just kind of walk up and down the street and kind of give you a little idea of where we are here in Taipa village. And earlier you saw some kids doing the darts over there too. Okay, we're going to jump forward in time. So now it's May 17. The other two videos, those small snippets, were in February. And I'm just going to show you this Taipa village area. I just saw the construction. There's a Galaxy Casino over there. There's this piece over here with another, and then this one right here, they're doing cement up there. So we're gonna walk by that and then we're gonna go back into our space. And we're in this type of village area. And some kind of cool stuff keeps popping up everywhere. They have tacos in this place. And our street is gonna be right around this truck. Or maybe it's on the street right here. Yeah, actually this is where we were just at a little while ago. So we're going to try to go all the way around it. So they're doing all this kind of construction right in this space. So yeah, when the beginning of the video opened up, we were right over there. So we're going to go around and check it out. So stay tuned. So this is it. On this other side, here's Macau, which we're going to stop by later and get something to eat. Travessa dos Mercadores, right there. And so the other day when I was here, I was eating in front of this particular restaurant. And the dartboard was over here. It's still there. So even though it was like 2 months ago, so pretty cool. We've got some darts right there as well. And then they're doing all this construction here. So we'll see what that's fully realized to be later on. Hello. Oh, not yet. Yeah, I might come by in a little bit. Little. They're doing a lot of construction today. It's loud, right? So we're gonna come back. I might stop at that restaurant. That's where I was at the other day. And then this is where we're at right now. Travessa dos Mercadores. And we're kind of in these little alleys as well. So there's Macau, and then that one is Lazy Bear. I don't know which one to go to. They're both really good. This is actually, they're also doing some new stuff right here too. Bear and Cigar. Huh. All kinds of new stuff everywhere. Enjoy your burgers. Okay, so this is Travessa dos Mercadores, and I'm going to decide which one to go to. I guess I'm going to go back to Lazy Bear, maybe. but I love Macau as well. Okay, so we're inside Lazy Bear. Have some nice. Macau is really great as well. They're both really good restaurants. That's kind of cool. So we're gonna yeah, the street's kind of, we'll go down and look at it again after I eat. There we go. Looking pretty good. Okay, so we're gonna see what this all looks like in the future. See ya. So yeah, it was there was not too long ago they had a nice event in the evening and it was kind of amazing. And it was the owner here. Let me see. Let's see if I see. I was gonna say hi, but I think I can see him working in the kitchen. So that's Lazy Bear in Macau, and they're on this Travessa dos Mercadores, Mercadores Lane. And I was gonna give some context to where we are exactly. And I think I'll do that by just kind of exploring through the neighborhood just slightly to give you a little taste of what's all around. So this is this little Taipa village area. Let me just kind of come up briefly. To give you some context of everything. So we're pretty busy street right here. And way in the distance you can see some mountains. So yeah, that's Taipa Grande, that mountain up there. There's actually an overlook. You can look down on all of this. And this is one of the main streets that goes right through this area. And that'll kind of give you some context. And we're basically down in this little Taipa village area. And I think just to give the full conclusion, full view of what it looks like, I'm gonna move down this way slightly. I'm just gonna meander down and take a right and kind of give some idea of where we're at. But there's a Galaxy Casino straight ahead. This is called Correia da Silva Street. And then we're gonna just walk down this way. And I'm gonna give some context because we're gonna kind of show you where we started at. Here's Pedro Casino, Portuguese. Mercadores Street, which is kind of where we were just at. So we were basically straight down that direction. So we were over by that yellow building right there. And then we're going to go to the other main street. But you can see there's all these little shops and there's all kind of pedestrian street oriented as well. Over here is Old Taipa Tavern. Here's a bakery, Silvermine Bakery, Silvermine Bake. And then we kind of started over in this area right here. This is maybe around a minute and a half or something like that. I was kind of showing this new structure. Cement truck is down that way. So that'll give a little context to where we are. This is called Camões Plaza. And then now we're at the other main street of this type of village area. Olympic Stadium is straight over that way. And then directly down this way, it's called Regulador Street. And Taipa Centro is straight ahead, those tall buildings. Olympic Stadium is over that way. Then this leads all the way down over to Galaxy Casino and the Cotai Strip. So we basically came into this little space in here, which is Camões and Taipa Village. And that little space that we were in was kind of in the middle part of this space. So yeah, that was a couple of days ago, or 2 months ago. It looked like there was a lot of interesting potential there, and I think there will be in the future. but they're doing lots of construction at the moment with that cement truck. So you can see the cement truck right down that way. More construction right in front of us as well. Taipa Village. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la